About to go hit up some golf course ponds, see if we can get on. Gonna go get my cousin, and she's never fished before. See how this goes. Alright, so just pulled up. Gotta go get the cousin. Oh, let's go! Yeah. Just pulled up, pond number 1. There's the cousin. Gotta get the rods. This is not illegal, just don't get caught. Step 1, teach cousin how to throw a casting rod, or spinning rod, reel. And then, oh, alright, now bob it up and down. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Water is crystal clear, sunny skies. Just caught the first little fish of the day on the Cinco. Little baby one. There's a little tiny fish. Oh, that does not say no fishing. We are going to pond number 2. We will catch you when we're there. We are so close. And there's a guy over there who has the potential to kick us off. Hopefully he doesn't see us. So we have made it to pond number 2. We thought that was security, but those are just some guys golfing. Hopefully we don't get hit. Oh, get him. Oh, bring him in. Yeah, I caught that on a Cinco. There you go. Might have to, change it up right now. Put on the old trusty popper. Oh, almost fell in. First fish on the popper. Look at that. Alright, guys. So, gonna end the video now. Not much action. As you can see behind me, there's a bunch of toolies everywhere. Too tall to cast over. Basically went all around the pond. Started off with the Cinco. I'm gonna go back. There's no point walking that way. Started off with the Cinco, then went ahead and switched to a popper and instantly caught a fish like second cast. Sun's going down. That's pretty much it for today. Stay tuned. THEbeaver. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll have another video in maybe a week or so.